Alright, hello, welcome to the review today. It will be a little bit different than usually, but hopefully it will make the work done. So starting with the daily chart, today a rather small range day we've seen. We tapped one more time above the all-time high here, the buy side liquidity, and also a short-term swing high, the nearest to the left. So buy side liquidity was tapped there on a shallow basis still, yet that was engaged. And dropping to the hourly chart, regular trading hours plotted, something that caught my attention, this opening range gap. So this inefficiency in here is clearly impactful for the price, and I suspect that, or I believe it will be impactful as long as we are in close proximity to this imbalance here. It might even want to completely close it, trading to the low. At this moment particularly, we have very nice relative equal highs and relative equal lows also here at the time that I was making the review. Going into the 15-minute chart, premium 15-minute fair value gap, tapped once, twice, and now it was trading into it there during the PM session. But what I wanted to review is quickly 5-minute chart, PM drawn liquidity, relative equal highs right here, and premium array in form of the 15-minute fair value gap. But coming back to the morning session on the 1-minute chart, we can see that price unfolded a market maker sell model completed here with the original consolidation, reaccumulation, smart money reversal at the all-time high, and then price started breaking away and kept on and delivering lower. Something nice that I want to pay attention to is the 9:30 opening price. Carry that over, and beautiful sensitivity here on the premium side during the 10:50 to 11:10 macro, and it smashed very nicely lower. So this is basically the second stage of redistribution of the market maker sell model here. So nonetheless interesting how it delivered. I didn't saw it coming while reading the price live. I was having a different idea about it. Nonetheless, this was indeed what unfolded. Bearing in mind that at 10 a.m. here we had Fed chairman speaking, which was bringing some manipulation to the party. But coming back to the 15-minute, because as I was doing the review, at the end of the review, I saw that price moved quite significantly here from that bearish fair value gap, so I want to note that. We mentioned previously the relative equal lows in here, this one and this one, and as price was trading up into this premium 15-minute fair value gap, note that after it swept by just a little bit those relative equal highs, it couldn't even reach the consecutive encroachment, right? And on the 1-minute chart, it quickly rejects. It forms one fair value gap, second fair value gap, it couldn't even reach up into it, and then third fair value gap here, overlapping with consecutive encroachment of this week here. So a very nice area for looking for short into relatively lows here first, objective, this old low here and the lower low down there, and that's basically completing the PM session for today. Very nice delivery here on the sell side, really quick and low resistance delivery. So yeah, so far that's it for today. Let me know if you like this type of review a little bit more or maybe a little bit less. I'm curious about your opinion, and I'll be trying to keep on improving the quality. Nonetheless, thanks for watching and see you again in the next one. Bye.